back to Ash's Kitchen. I'm Hannah and this is our little cook,
Leila.
Today we are going to be making a smoothie. We are going to be making a berry smoothie. For this you will need
Apple juice,
blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, yogurt, honey and ice cream. To start off, you will need to put all your ingredients into a container. Firstly, add 300 millilitres of apple juice to the container. And then add 2 or 3 strawberries. Little cook. Next, you add a handful of blueberries and raspberries. Then you add 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now add 2 scoops of ice cream. Of honey. Screw the lid on tightly and then blend. Blending, it's ready to serve. Now I just need someone to taste test it.
Hello, my name's Amelia.
Are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Delicious. Yes, you're right, it is delicious. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share
And subscribe to our channel. See you soon.
Bye.